Hi everyone, Richard Carlton here. Welcome to a quick elevator pitch about our workshop that's coming up July 13th, which focuses on developing FileMaker solutions using agentic AI development, which is really amazing, but a lot of us have not taken advantage of it yet. We haven't installed it. And once you've installed it and used it and built something, the light comes on and you understand how powerful it is. And you also, if you're a FileMaker developer like me and you love building solutions for people, you understand how empowering it is and how much it's going to change your life. It's already allowing me to do things I've never been able to do before in a timely fashion. It's really great. So it's a 5-day workshop, really 6-day workshop. We're going to have early office hours on July 12th for people getting the software installed on Mac or Windows. We're focusing on Anthropic's Claude Code product. If you want to use a different AI model, that's fine. We'll try to help around the edges. About probably 80% of this is applicable to you. But understand for $20 a month, just get Claude for a month, and then you'll be right in the trenches with the rest of the class. So really July 12th, for those of you who want to show up, it's going to be installation, getting everything installed. You'll have a Zoom account so you can ask questions. Okay, Monday, terminology, understanding conceptually how everything fits together. Then on Tuesday, we start building the web page. It goes up on a web server so you can see that. And then as we move through that day, getting orientated around the idea of talking to the AI and having it build something and having it upload it for you. Then we talk about taking that website and having it connect to FileMaker. So we have a FileMaker backend, which is great. And maybe we have a small web page on the front end that allows outside users or an outside customer, someone to access part of the database. They're not doing it with WebDirect. They're doing it with legit modern coding as you would build an HTML page with CSS and JavaScript and React, etc. And so you don't have to code any of that. All you have to do is tell the AI what you want built, and you get to test it and watch it make it. It's really great. The trick is you have to learn how to provide adult supervision to the AI. I mean that very seriously. That's why as you go through the workshop, you'll realize that the FileMaker jobs aren't going to go away. Your job is going to become more of one of communicating expectations and testing it with the AI and providing adult supervision for the AI, because it will do stupid things if you let it run wild. So we're going to be learning that along the way. So we're giving you a lot of personal experience on where things can go wrong, where you can run into snags. You know, the AI, for example, doesn't necessarily like to test its own work. It's notorious for wanting to build something and not really test it. And so that's part of the conversation of teaching you how to interact with the AI and have the aha moment, but also providing the guidance the AI needs to build the solution correctly and quickly, honestly. As we move forward in the week, we're going to talk about having AI help you write scripts or edit scripts or update scripts, etc., in your FileMaker solution. Then on Friday, we're going to be talking about layout construction using modern web tools within a web viewer. This is kind of the proof kit conversation. Now, Thursday and Friday, these last two topics about editing inside the FMP12 file, this is an evolving area. This area is changing, and the landscape that we have now will probably be different in a couple months. So I'm shooting this video now in June, and in July it'll change, and probably in August it'll change. You don't want to wait to jump in, because everything you learn right now is going to be 100% applicable to what's coming in the future. And you're going to be in a great place to take advantage of it. The rub is if you have to start from scratch and you wait another 3 months, it's going to be that much more overwhelming for me to get you up to speed. I'm sure we'll do a workshop at some point, but it's going to have to be a 2-week workshop, because now you've got to learn all the things that you should have been playing with along the way. So I want to get everyone up to speed, get going, empower you to understand the AI, where it fits. And I guarantee if you've been a FileMaker developer, you're going to want to use it. In fact, yeah, by Wednesday, you're going to be already addicted to this thing. It's just the way it is. So I look forward to seeing you at our FileMaker Agentic Development Workshop starting July 13th. And that'll be 90 minutes every day for a week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Feel free to register at our website. I'll see you there.